Hello, I'm Chef Mark with Escoffier Online International Culinary Academy. We are preparing pork chops in a conventional oven. This way, you'll have tender pork chops, and I want to say the key to good pork chops is hot skillet, little hot oil. Sear the meat in the pan so you have a nice brown color. Turn it over and finish it in the oven. That's how a good pork chop is prepared. Many people say, wow, my pork chops are always so dry. Also, the pork chop shouldn't be cooked any more than 155 degrees Fahrenheit, which means you need a pocket thermometer to check the temperature. So you want to have the oven on 350 degrees. You want to have a hot skillet with some oil in it. You'll want to salt the pork chop on both sides. Don't be afraid to salt it. It gives it flavor. I add pepper later on because it tends to char in the pan. So now I have a skillet. My skillet's heated. I'm going to go to the stove. I have my preheated skillet, a little hot oil in the pan there. When you get a good color, be sure to lay the meat away from you. See that? So lay the meat away from you and let it sit. So we want to get good color. You don't want to be poking at it. In the meantime, we have some beautiful cremini mushrooms or white mushrooms that we have sauteed slowly. So that will be what we'll be adding that to our preparation, along with some diced tomato and some scallions, and finish off with our black pepper. How do I know if the pork chop is ready? Well, you see it curving on the bottom, a little brown. Sometimes a little blood comes through the bone. Turn away from us. Look at that nice brown color. We'll add those cooked mushrooms to it. A little liquid. And we're going to place it into the oven. And that'll cook for about 6 minutes. So now we have our pork chops we've dished up. We're going to add a little scallions, add some of the tomato concassé to it, and finish it off with some fresh crushed black pepper. And now we have how to cook pork chops in a conventional oven. Beautiful, tender, moist, internal temperature 155 degrees for a tender pork chop. Bon appetit.